Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a brake light on a Jaguar Xe. First, gather your essential tools, including a suitable screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface and completely turned off before you begin. For precise details specific to your model, it's always a good idea to consult your Jaguar Xe owner's manual. This will help you avoid any potential issues during the process. Next, open your car's trunk to find the access panel for the brake light assembly. You'll need to carefully remove the trim panel that covers the light unit. This usually involves a few clips or screws. Once the trim is off, gently disconnect any electrical connectors that are attached to the light assembly. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any wires or plastic components. Now, with the light assembly exposed, you can access the bulb. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully pull out the old, faulty bulb from its socket. When inserting the new bulb, make sure it is seated correctly and firmly in place. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Reconnect all electrical connectors and carefully secure the light assembly back into its position. Replace the trim panel you removed earlier, ensuring all clips and screws are properly fastened. Then, close the trunk. Before you finish, have someone check the brake light while you press the brake pedal to confirm it's working correctly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.